Okay, this screencast is a tutorial on how to import content from like a Word document or an Excel spreadsheet. Basically, anything from the Microsoft Office suite that you would normally, compose. You can do this for any post or page that you want. Say you have, some content you want to style in a certain way, or you want it to have columns or whatever, something like that. You can do that, and you can write it up right in Microsoft Word or Excel or whatever, and then import it straight into your WordPress post. So I'm going to show you this. We're at Supergravity Design, which we are a WordPress website. I'm going to go to the WP admin area. I'm going to log in. Okay, so I am going to make, here we go. I've got a spreadsheet test draft. I'm actually going to delete this. I just made sure it was all working. And I'm going to make a new post, and I'm going to call it new spreadsheet test. Okay, and there we go. And I am going to insert some data. So I go over to my visual editor, okay, instead of the HTML. You guys mostly use this, probably. And I'm going to pull up my spreadsheet, okay? Here it is. I'm going to take selection of all the stuff that I want from the spreadsheet. I'm going to Control-C, okay, copy it. Come back over to my WP admin new post section. And I'm going to click this right here, paste from Word. It says Word, but it really accepts anything from Word or Excel. Okay, pops up this. And I'm just going to paste it in. See, it looks all nice. Hit Insert. Okay. Now here's the one thing. WordPress has a little problem when you just straight up post something in like that. From Excel. From Word, it's all fine. You do the same exact thing, right? But I grabbed something from Excel because of this. If you go over to the HTML editor, you'll see up here it's got all this content. It kind of looks funky unless you know what you're dealing with. But what I want you to do, if you ever insert anything from Excel, it forgets to put in an extra little bit at the beginning and end. So T-A-B-L-E, table, okay? That's defining all this stuff as a table. Okay, so it forgets this one at the beginning. Then if you go all the way to the end, you want to add a different one. It looks like this, table. It's got just that little, I guess it's not a backslash, a front slash there in front of it. That says end of the table, okay? And you have to remember to do that because WordPress forgets to add that. So then I'm going to, just because I don't want this to be live, I'm going to save a draft. You could probably just hit publish on your site. And then I want to preview the post, okay? Wait for it to load. There we go. Check it out. All nicely styled. Our links, some of them work, okay? Some of them don't. Some of them aren't linked up yet. We'll go back in and just fix these. I'll show you guys just a little bonus here for this, how to fix these. Not very pretty on our site because, ours isn't made for stuff like this, but I would add a few things. But for yours, most of them will be built for this. So I'm going to go in just real quick and show you really quick how to make these and make them actual working links. Just a little bonus here. So I'm going to copy this web address, and I'm going to go back over here, and I'm going to go to my visual editor, and I'm going to come down, and I'm going to find that right here, www.cheroart.com. I'm going to select it, and I'm going to take this, insert edit link, click on that, and I'm just going to paste this in. I got to make sure it keeps that http:// but all I'm going to do, I'm going to put that right there, and I'm going to hit insert, and look at that. It works. Okay, so you're going to want to go through and do that to all your web addresses just like you normally would on your posts. But and then we'll just for demonstration's sake, we'll just save it and flip back over here and just check it out. Make sure it all worked, but you just got to remember to put in that table if you're ever going to put in an actual table there. So here we go. Check it out. works right over to Chiaro Scuro art. Anyway, that's it. Thank you, and if you have any questions, just shoot us an email.